5 things you definitely need to know about the second generation facelifted Audi RS3. The second generation Audi RS3 features a powerful 2.5-litre turbocharged 5-cylinder engine that produces 400 horsepower and 480 Nm of torque. Unlike its predecessor, the facelift model has become 26 kg lighter thanks to the use of a new aluminum engine block instead of the old steel engine block. The RS3 features a sport-tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional grip and handling in all conditions. With its 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that provides quick and smooth shifting, the Audi RS3 accelerates from 0 to 100 km an hour in just 4.1 seconds. The second generation Audi RS3 has a distinctive exterior design with sporty and aggressive styling. It features an aggressive front bumper with larger air intakes, a honeycomb grille finished in gloss black, and a lower ride height. The RS3 also has wider fenders and larger wheels compared to the standard A3. Fun fact to know is that the 19-inch wheels in the front are wider than the rear ones to suppress understeer, which is caused by the powerful big engine in the front. At the rear, the RS3 has the distinctive diffuser, a rear spoiler that enhances its aerodynamics, and 2 big oval exhaust pipes. The interior of the second generation Audi RS3 is designed to be both sporty and luxurious. It features premium materials such as leather and matching stitches, as well as high-tech features such as the Audi Virtual Cockpit display and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. The RS3 also has a flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters, supportive sports seats with RS logos, and unique carbon fiber trim. Additionally, the RS3 has spacious interior that comfortably seats up to 5 passengers, making it both stylish and practical. The RS3 comes with advanced technologies such as the large infotainment screen, wireless charging, adaptive cruise control, Audi Park Assist, Audi Lane Assist, and many more. The Audi RS Design Package Red is an optional package available on some Audi RS models like the Audi RS3. It includes several design features such as the red contrast stitching on the seats, the steering wheel, the center console, the door armrests, the red contrasted seat belts, and the Audi RS floor mats with red stitching. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know your thoughts about the second generation Audi RS3 and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.